I don't know if you guys know the grass eater phenomenon that occurred in Japan. Many think it's happening in this country where just young men have lost focus. You know, they kind of play these video games, don't have as much hope. Is there sort of another psychological part to this that Charlie, that you see because you talk to these kids all the time?
Well, look, I will say that there is a cultural trend, and I think this new unfortunate rise of third wave feminism is much more about hating men than empowering women. And it is possible to empower women without hating men. That is possible. And, you know, men, at least in recent college graduates that are males, unfortunately, are not given the same sort of direction that I think they should be. And I think there's too many men actually going to college. I think there's too many people in general going to four-year college, where the trades, the electricians, the plumbers, the carpenters, the HVAC, and the entrepreneurs are somehow being thought of as less dignified, when in reality, they're just as important, if not more important, than some of these other jobs that somehow are put on a pedestal. And I think the Trump administration has done a great job of talking about this.
And before you came on, we were talking about it, just the idea at one point, no matter whether you're a man or a woman, if you were a provider, the fact you had a roof over your head, food in your belly was always seen as a positive.